sweet friends. Happy New Year. So we are in a new year, in a new decade. Wow, could you believe it's finally 2020? Oh my gosh, I remember back in 1985 when I was like, 16, 17 years old. To me, the year 2020 seemed like 100 years into the future. And now we are finally in the second decade of the 21st century, is it? And so anyways, I am offering in this video a nitty-gritty craft room tour, which it's actually the before video. Okay, now I've been doing a lot of soul searching and a lot of thinking regarding my craft room and how I craft, and so I've come to the conclusion that my craft room in its current state does not bring me joy. And so what I'm going to be doing is I decided that I'm going to purge, okay? I'm going to be going through a ton of stuff that I have packed away like a pack rat, alrighty? And I'm just going to start giving stuff away, donating things to like Goodwill and senior centers and special needs schools in my area. And so, for example, here's something that prompted me to do this video for you tonight, is that, alrighty, in my mind, I'm arranging stuff, okay, but it's still all a big mess. This is just part of the stamps that I own, that I have either purchased, have been gifted to me, or have been sent to me by companies, okay? And those that have been sent to me, I've used once, alrighty? Now, y'all who have followed me throughout the years know and have seen my videos, okay? Y'all can tell how many times, in how many videos do you actually see me stamping, okay? You never see me stamping. I'm all about die cutting and creating with dies and so forth, but I hardly, excuse me, ever stamp. And so I've made up my mind that I will either give them away, the brand new ones, or I'm just going to donate my used items to, you know, like I said previously. And so, yeah, in arranging and rearranging, I'm like, why hold on to all this stuff if I'm not using it? You know, it's only taking up space. And as you can see, I have a very, very limited amount of space. I mean, look at this. Okay, I'm showing you the ugly. Alrighty, this is what I have. Over here, paperwork from what I do, websites and stuff. And I have my TV here. I like to watch scary movies and paranormal stuff while I'm crafting. That's right. That's a little known secret. When I'm crafting, I'm not watching craft videos. I'm actually watching, what I tell my friends is Los Cucos en las Brujas. Which means I'm actually watching the demons and the witches, okay? I love paranormal stuff and stories. That's what I put on my TV when I'm crafting. And there's another thing with more paperwork that I have to go through. And so, as you can see, it is a very cramped space. And it's time for me to purge, alrighty? And here's my thinking. See up there, that serger machine? That was handed down to me by my mom. Alrighty, she gave me her serger, and she also gave me this big industrial sewing machine. Y'all, I'm not lying. It's sitting in the garage, okay? It's sitting in the garage. What good is it doing for me if it's just sitting there and I get no use out of it? Alrighty, I want to learn how to sew. I'm intrigued by sewing and I want to do that so badly. But as you can see, I cannot fit anything else into this craft room. Look, you guys. See that? See all this stuff over here? Look, that's an empty, whatchamacallit, Heidi Swapp thingamajiggy. Okay, I either need to use that or just give it away, one or the other. But as you can see, I have a ton of stuff. Okay, I have this Brothers Scatting Cut that I spent so much money on, how many times do I get to use it? Almost never. Okay, I'm not gonna give that away. I'm still gonna hold on to it, but I want to be able to use the things that I have here. So what I'm gonna do, like I said, is I'm going to thin out my stuff. I have a ton of stuff. I have paper pads. I love Heartfelt Creation paper pads, and I buy them when they go on sale or on clearance. I have yet to open one pack up. Okay, I need to do something about that. As far as my Spellbinders dies, whenever I use them, I go ahead and I send them to my friends. And but yeah, I have a lot of stuff here that I'm not using. Look, I have 1, 2, there's another one up there, 3, and where did the other one go? I know I have 4. It's up here somewhere. Okay, I have 4 die cutting machines. Why am I hanging on to 4 die cutting machines? I know that I need the smaller one and this one, but I've already given one away. Brian Dickey won that little one. I have this other little one, and then I have another one that I may just send it to somebody who needs it. Okay, but you see, this is the before, and my plan is to get rid of this bookcase. Okay, and gosh, I have a gazillion stickers, you guys, and I have thinned down through a lot of them. And you know, when have y'all seen me use stickers? I see something, it's on clearance, I think it's a good deal, and then I shop and I shop and I buy and I buy. Y me lleno de tanta cosa, you know? And I just fill up with a ton of stuff because it was cute at the store and everything, and I don't use it, and it just sits there, and it bugs me because to me, that's just wasteful spending, okay? It does me no good to buy stuff to just have it sit there. So I'm either going to use it or I'm just going to give it away. Okay, look, a thing of washi. Do you know what I'm using my washi for now? I'm no longer using I do use my planners, but I'm not decorating my planners anymore. I'm sorry, I have the flu. I'm no longer decorating my planners because I simply don't have the time. I don't have the time to turn a planner into a sticker book, which is why I bought all those stickers, okay? But I don't have the time anymore. And so what I'm actually using my washi is to hold down my, my dies, to hold them together when I need to cut a design or something. Alrighty, that's all the use that I'm getting out of washi tape. So, you know what? I'll probably just hold on to like maybe 3 or 4 rolls and just give the rest to a school. Alrighty, so yeah, this is the before, and I don't know if I've shown you my dies. Okay, and I have, look, here is another die. This is a notebook full of dies too, and pictures from my past card designs. But yeah, this is what it looks like. This is the nitty-gritty. Okay, and hopefully by the time that I get to upload another craft room tour video, I still don't know how I'm gonna name this one. Hopefully you will see some changes here. But yeah, when I first moved into this room, it looked really pretty and it made a lot of sense, but now it is very chaotic and it's not bringing me joy. And I've come to the realization that yes, I do need to get rid of a lot of stuff. And this is what my door looks like, and that's where I hold my punches. And yeah, I'm gonna have to get rid of some of these tools as well because I'm just not using them. Look, I bought this a couple of years ago when they were all going on sale for like a couple of dollars over at Joann's. I've used them maybe twice. Was it worth me spending that money and it's just taking up space? I don't think it is. What I'm using mostly is this. Okay, I use this. My friend Bonnie Springer gave this to me. Okay, and I know I use the other one to this, but I don't even use this at all. I thought I was getting a really great deal at Tuesday Morning. It was cheap, like $7 or $8, something like that, I think. I used it maybe once or twice because I just have no use for it. I'm like, you know, that's $7, $8 that I down the drain. And I bought this in the hopes of embossing, okay? And I've tried my hand at embossing and it really doesn't work for me. And so, yeah, this is the before. And I just want to wish you all a wonderful 2020. And I will see you once again in my next video. And yeah, it's going to take me some time to clear through all this so that I can show you what I decided to keep and how I'm arranging everything. So thank you all so very much for watching. Bye and Happy New Year.